Good morning, students. We discuss about bubble chart in this e-lecture. The definition for charting is an operation that segregates items into groups according to specified criteria. Examples for charting are arranging the books in a library. It is easy for any students to search author-wise or subject-wise in the library. Second example is movies in Blockbuster. So it is also helpful for to select a particular language or particular movie, either it is arranged in alphabetical wise or in the language wise. Various types of chartings are given here. First is internal charting, the data to be stored in the main memory, so that is internal chart. Insertion chart, selection chart, bubble chart are the examples of internal charting. Charting which is performed other than the main memory, that means the external device, is called external charting. Quick chart, merge chart are the best examples for external chart. In-place chart, the amount of the extra space required to chart the data with a constant input size. Insertion chart is the best example for in-place chart. Next, stable chart and unstable chart, both of them are chart the elements in the same order. The only difference is the stable charts chart the data according to some characteristics. In case of unstable charting, it may or may not keep all the records or data in the same order. Let me discuss an example in stable as well as unstable charting. So here I am given an example, students and their marks in the original array. You can find the difference in both the stable as well as in the unstable ordering. In case of stable ordering, they are given alphabet wise charted, but in case of unstable order, they are charted in a mark wise. They are not concentrated in alphabetical wise. That is the major difference among stable and unstable charting. Various types of charting is also be available. They are bubble chart, selection chart, insertion chart, merge chart, cell chart, heap chart, quick chart, radix chart and swap chart. So in our e-lecture, we are concentrated only on bubble chart. So let us start with the introduction about a bubble chart. A bubble starts at one end of the array and make repeatedly scans through the list, comparing the successive pairs of elements. If the first element is larger than the second, we can swap that two numbers. Each scan will push the maximum element to the top. Let us see an example how the bubble chart will be happening. So here in our example we are given 6 values. First two values will be compared first. First number is greater than the second number, so we need to perform swap. In case of a second value, we again compare with the next two adjacent values. That will be compared and the swapping will be performed. In the same manner, each and every adjacent elements will be compared and it will be charted. In the first start, we can get the values according 42, 35, even though it is swapped, but it is not in the ascending order. So for that, we start from the second pass from the first two values. In similar manner, we scan all the numbers and again we start with the next pass till it charts all the elements in the ascending order. So it takes n-1 comparison of comparing all the elements present in the list. So next is this is the algorithm for a bubble chart. In this bubble chart, so this part is mainly used for comparing the elements with the next adjacent element. If the first element is greater than the second element, swapping will be performed. And the innermost loop is mainly used for comparing a single pass. Outermost loop is mainly used for comparing all the values, all the passes, and will produce the elements in the charted order. Thank you for your patient listening.